Hi, welcome back. I'm Kourtney Chinnery and I am presently a sophomore at Bridgeway Academy and I am in AP Calculus. This is my 8th and final video of my 8-part series on teaching you different concepts in calculus. In this video, I'll be discussing word problems using related rates. So, I'll be solving a word problem and it'll involve related rates. So let's get started. A 5-foot ladder has its base pulled away from the wall at 2 feet per second along the ground. How fast is the ladder sliding down the wall when the top of the ladder is 4 feet from the ground? So I drew out a diagram of this problem and it is a right triangle. It has, for the vertical line, it has a wall that is y equals 4 feet. That is the height of the wall. And we got that from in the word problem. It says when the top of the ladder is 4 feet from the ground. So that is where we got that from. We have a horizontal line, which is the ground. And that is x equals question mark. We don't know what that is yet. We'll be solving that later on in this video. And I also have the hypotenuse, which is a ladder, and that is z equals 5 feet. We got that from, in the word problem, it says a 5-foot ladder. So, that is where we got that value from. We will also be coming across dx over dt, which is 2 feet per second along the ground. That is the change in x in respect to t. We have dz over dt, which is 0, because that is the change in z in respect to t, and the ladder does not shrink or get any longer in this problem, so that is 0. And the main objective of this video is we're going to be finding dy over dt when y equals 4. So we have 3 steps in this problem. To help you follow along, we're going to be using number 1, use a Pythagorean theorem to find x, which is the ladder base from the house. We're going to be doing number 2, we're going to take the derivative of the Pythagorean theorem. And number 3, we're going to plug in the known values to find the entire answer to the whole entire problem. So let's get started using these steps. So number 1, use the Pythagorean theorem to find x. We have x squared plus y squared equals z squared. X squared, we don't know x yet, so we're just going to rewrite that. Plus y squared, 4 squared equals z squared, 5 squared. X squared plus 16 equals 25. X squared equals 25 minus 16. X squared equals 9. Take the square root of both sides, and x equals 3. So that is our answer to the x value in this problem. And we're going to go ahead and write that up there for our x value. And we use, number 1, we use the Pythagorean theorem to find x, which is a ladder base from the house. Now we're going to do number 2. We're going to take the derivative of the Pythagorean theorem. So the Pythagorean theorem was x squared plus y squared equals z squared. The derivative of x squared is 2x dx over dt. The derivative of y squared is 2y dy over dt. And the derivative of z squared equals 2z dz over dt. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to bring out the 2 out of the left side in order to simplify the problem. So, we bring out the 2. 2 times x dx over dt plus y dy over dt equals 2z dz over dt. And now, we're going to divide both sides by 2 in order to finish simplifying the problem. And we end up with x dx over dt plus y dy over dt equals z dz over dt. So, to just review how we got number 2, the answer to step number 2, we got x squared plus y squared equals z squared, which is a Pythagorean theorem. We took the derivative of each x, y, and z, x squared, y squared, and z squared, which we got this answer. Then we brought the 2 out of the left side in order to simplify the problem. We divided both sides by 2, and that is how we got this last line of this step. So now we will be going on to number 3, which is plug in the known values. So we'll be plugging in the known values to this line that we just got, that we just found. So the value for x we just found was 3. The value for dx over dt is 2, right here. So we'll be plugging that in. Plus y, which is 4. Now we're solving for dy over dt, so we'll just rewrite that because that is what we're solving for. equals z, and we found out that z equals 5, and we know that dz over dt equals 0 because that is the ladder. The ladder is not shrinking or getting any longer. So 3 times 2 equals 6, plus 4 dy over dt equals 5 times 0 equals 0. So 4 dy over dt equals negative 6. Dividing both sides by 4. I'm going to go ahead and erase this. Dy over dt equals negative 6/4, which comes out to negative 3/2 feet per second. So that is the answer to our entire word problem. Negative 3/2 feet per second. And that is our answer to our word problem when we are using word problems using related rates. That is our answer to the word problem that we use. Thank you for watching this video, and thank you for watching my 8-part series. I greatly enjoyed teaching you all these different AP Calculus concepts. Thank you. Bye.